In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to create an AI agent that improves itself using your feedback. And it is so simple, it will blow your mind. All you need is an agent, a prompt, and be able to write and read from a text file. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a text file. We're not going fancy with our scalable Kubernetes database cluster. We just need a simple text file. Now here's how it works. We prompt the agent to detect user preferences and write them to file. Then in our system prompt, we will always read the preferences from the file so they are always up to date. Again, we are basically delegating all the work to the agent. So we're telling the agent, hey, if you detect some user preferences, be it implicitly or explicitly stated by the user, save them into this file. And then our workflow is set up in a way that it will always retrieve the information from the file into the system prompt. And that's it. So let's put it to the test. Let's ask the question, why do humans need oxygen? Great. Now let's pull up the text file next to it so you can see the agent writing to the file directly. Now let's give it some directives or preferences. Let's say always give a haiku style answer. And bada bim, bada boom, it recognized the preferences and wrote it directly to file. Now let's say always finish your response with an emoji. And again, it recognized it and updated my preferences. Now to really make sure that it worked, we will create a new chat window without any message history. And now I won't say any preferences, but it should load them from the file and adjust the response accordingly. So fingers crossed. And it works like a charm. Anyway, that's it for now. You can apply this principle anywhere to quickly upgrade your agent to a self-improving agent which listens to your feedback. And if you want to see more about agents or any educational content, let me know in the comments below. Until then, bye-bye and have a great day.